Kiseng niam baper kan thop iki kristan bat bamlong kristan kidang ne kajing siir ya kajing penjanai amendment ya ka ain Foreign Contribution Regulation Act Fcra amendment bill kabala penrung ban yatai bat ban penlong ain kayeng dorbar thau ain kari India. Kini ki kan hun niam kidang siir lengba kan ka ain ka Sorkar kan knyot ya kijing yarap na kiri banabar na kabenta ban yarap ya ki baduk barang di ki bapang basitom bat pun ba ki kamle isnei. Umentri rangba hakitayo balala ulaya kendu rengkat kinong elam niam ya umentri ki kampo yeng Amit Shah ban penpau ya kani kajing siir. Uba prestun ula penpau kajing kermen bak yeng dorbar thawan kari India kan wanra ya ka Fcra bathamai ka ban Pdeng lut da baro ki paj ba kari India.
Recently, Honorable Chief Minister has taken the delegation to Delhi, met few leaders of the central government, and they assured also to the delegation that the clauses of that proposed amendment, which is directly or indirectly affected the functioning of the churches in the northeastern state, particularly in Meghalaya, that has been assured by the government of India to amend it. Okay, so right now I am not aware whether that amendment has been changed or not. So I can't just say that I will abstain it. Because see, Fcra, it does not mean only for the Christian. You need to understand that. Fcra is for different organization. Okay, not only for Christianity. So this cover for the entire nation. So therefore, our concern is from the Christianity point of view. So we have already aired these issues. We have already proposed the amendment also. So as I said to you, I am yet to update whether those clauses where we submitted to the government of India has been agreed or not. That I don't know yet. Until I know that, then I can tell you that yes, we are against it or we are in favor of it. So, but I don't know. So no, you can't say that because now the government while passing it towards the end of this session, because the passing has to happen towards the end of the session. So in between of that, they can always do the amendment. That's what I'm saying, because that time when CM took a delegation, they has assured the delegation that yes, these issues, these concerns of the delegation will be taken care of.